So now we have number 5. In the number 5 we have these mangoes are these mangoes are dash and dash. Okay, this is the sentence. Now we have some options. First option is sweet, salty, juicy, happy. Okay, so these mangoes are dash and dash. So the first thing we can write the sweet because जो मैंगो होते हैं वो सॉल्टी होते ही नहीं है. So salty is the wrong word to write here. So we have to choose the sweet word. So we have to write these mangoes are sweet. Okay. Then what we have to choose? Juicy. So and in the last option we have happy. तो कोई भी आम खुश तो हो नहीं सकता, कोई भी आम क्या हो सकता है मीठा और रसीला हो सकता है. So we have to choose this word. These mangoes are sweet and juicy. So I will tell you the meaning of these two sentences right now. Okay. So my mother has packed healthy and tasty food for me in lunch. मेरी माँ ने मेरे लिए काफ़ी healthy और tasty खाना भोजन पैक किया है lunch में. This is the first meaning of the fourth number. These mangoes are sweet and juicy. ये आम काफ़ी मीठे और रसीले हैं. This is the meaning of the fifth number. Okay. So we have completed the question number B from the page number 26. And now I will do the question number C. Okay, C number. So in the C we have fill in the blank with suitable adjectives from the box. Number C. So I will write I will not do the question number C on the board because there is nothing special in this exercise. We have some short story with some adjectives and we have to fill the adjective according to the story. So I will explain the story or the fill the blanks we have. So I will explain that. So I will start the question number C. My beautiful cat has 3 lovely kittens. Okay, so what is the meaning of beautiful? Beautiful means pretty, sundar. Has 3 lovely kittens. Lovely, what is the difference between the beautiful word and the lovely word? Beautiful means sundar and the lovely means प्यारा. Okay, प्यारा. Okay, जो कि आपको बहुत पसंद आया होगा ना वो wow this is so lovely. Okay, सुंदरता अलग चीज़ है और किसी चीज़ का प्यारा लगना that is the different thing. Okay, so my beautiful cat has 3 lovely kittens. मेरी सुंदर सी बिल्ली के 3 प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे हैं. The kittens have small fur. और उन छोटे बच्चों पर छोटी छोटी रोएं हैं. मतलब fur. What is मैंने पहले भी बताया है कि इन दोनों का different meaning है. जब आप किसी के शरीर पर बहुत ज़्यादा बाल होता है तो हम उसको हेयरी बोलते हैं. ओके, और किसी के शरीर पर अगर रोए ज़्यादा हो मतलब कि रोए भी हो छोटे बाल जो घने में हो तो उसको हम फड़ी बोलते हैं. सो दिस इज द a small difference between a hairy and the furry. Okay, so the kittens have small fur. उन छोटे बिल्ली के बच्चों पर क्या है छोटे छोटे रोए हैं. They hop around in the big house throughout the day. और वो छोटे छोटे बच्चे मेरे बड़े से घर में दिन भर इधर उधर फुदकते रहते हैं. I love to watch them play in my house. और मैं जब उन्हें अपने घर में खेलते हुए देखती हूँ तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. My mother gives them milk in a black ball to drink. और मेरी माँ उन्हें हमेशा एक छोटे से काले कटोरे में दूध पीने के लिए दिया करती है. तो think why her mother chooses the black ball to serve the milk to the cats. Okay, so छोटे बच्चे हैं दूध क्या है doesn't know what is the color of दूध they doesn't know but जब काले कटोरे में उन्हें जब आदत हो जाएगी एक वाइट मिल्क को देखने की they can recognize what is the color of a milk और milk क्या होता है कैसा होता है. So this is how they train their kittens. So this is the meaning of their question number C is storyline, or as you can say a small paragraph. Okay, so this is the question number C and I have explained that. Now I will not do this exercise on the board because there is nothing special to write on the board. So I will give you the picture of this page number, then you can write the answer in your book. Then we have question number D and I will do this on the board. So D. In the D we have tick the correct adjectives and fill in the blanks. This is very similar to the question number B. In the B we also have some options to fill the blanks to get the meaning. So in this also we have fill in the blanks and we have some options. So this is kinda similar, kinda mix up of a tick the correct and the fill in the blanks. So in the first number we have cricket is a nice. Okay, let me write. Cricket is nice. Nicer. Okay. Number 2. The sky is dark at night. Number 3, the rabbit has a dash smaller tail than a dog. Number 4, that girl is dash taller. Than her brothers. Number 5. She likes brighter. Bright colors. So here we have the question number D on the board. So look at the board. Okay, we have to choose the adjective according to the sentence. Cricket is a nice or nicer game. So we use the er word जो कि adjective को ही show करता है, but when we use them to compare the same thing, okay, with the same words. So nicer, we don't have two different things in this sentence. So we only have cricket. So it means cricket is a nice game. हम यहाँ पे कुछ compare नहीं करते हैं, तो nicer का use होगा ही नहीं. The sky is darker at night. यहाँ पे हम कर रहे हैं sky को night से, तो the sky is darker at night. आसमान रात में ज़्यादा काला हो जाता है या ज़्यादा अंधेरा हो जाता है. ओके, so the sky is darker at night. यहाँ पे हम ER का यूज कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे दो डिफरेंट थिंग्स को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. The rabbit has a dash tail than a dog. We also have comparison between the rabbit and the dog in this sentence. Okay, the rabbit has a smaller tail. Smaller tail than a dog. रैबिट की जो पूंछ होती है वो कुत्ते की पूंछ से छोटी होती है. That girl is dash than her brothers. That girl is taller. Because यहाँ पे जो लड़की उसको कंपेयर किया जा रहा उसके भाई से. So that girl is taller than her brother. वह लड़की अपने भाई से लंबी है. Then we have 5 number. She likes bright colors. Okay, तो यहाँ पे कोई कंपैरिजन है तो सिंपली she likes bright colors. उसे उस लड़की को चमकीले रंग पसंद है. So this is all we have in this video, and what you have to do, you have to write down this exercises or complete these exercises in your book. Okay, till then take care and be safe at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.